At 10, we're in the Caribbean, for the airport where you're closest to the jets. The Princess Juliana Airport on the island of St. Martin. The planes fly in just 40 feet overhead. You can't get closer than this. Landing is extreme enough. Here on St. Martin's Maho Beach, sunbathing is a spectator sport.
When the big planes come in and they land directly over the heads of the people on the beach, it's staggering. It's like standing right at the end of the runway at JFK, but you're in your bathing suit.
On St. Martin, there's so little flat land that none of it can be wasted on a wide airport perimeter. And this lack of space is a problem across the Caribbean. Tiny Saba Airport has the shortest commercial landing strip in the world. St. Bart's forces planes to skim over a street before setting down. Or not.
Dude, that guy's gotta stop. Whoa!
But Princess Juliana reigns supreme. It's a full international airport running straight off the beach.
You've got this beautiful azure sea, you've got this wonderful island, all the lushness, and you've got to concentrate on putting her down on this postage stamp of a runway, or at least that's what it looks like when you're making your initial approach.
The landings are shockingly close, just 40 feet up. But takeoff is where things get serious. The jet engines power up just 200 feet from the fence. A wave of 38-degree air and exhaust gas hits the beach at 50 miles per hour. The speed of a tropical storm. Unsuspecting holidaymakers are blown away by the power.
You're talking about a 747 where every engine is producing 50,000 pounds of thrust.
But some holidaymakers actually embrace the engines.
We're gonna get our asses kicked here!
Princess Juliana Airport has created a unique, dangerous, extreme sport.
Here we go!
Fence surfing. Some hang five,
Yeah!
others wipe out.
Oh, God!
But no one forgets the Princess Juliana Airport, whether you were in the plane or 40 feet beneath it. At 9.